As technology is becoming more and more prevalent in our classrooms, we need to find ways to motivate and entice students to learn at even higher levels. E-portfolios in the classroom are an important way to be able to do this for our students. When given the task of finding an e-portfolio that fits right for your classroom in your certain situation, it can be daunting. However, with the help of some colleagues and some others that are venturing into the e-portfolio world, I found the best application to use and to try would be Seesaw. Many colleagues are already utilizing this site, and I thought to myself, why not try it? Because then you have the help to bounce off of others. Seesaw is an e-portfolio that allows teachers and students to work at various levels, focusing on personalized learning. Personalized learning is a big component right now in our district, focusing on different learning management styles, e-portfolios, flexible seating, and things like that. Seesaw empowers the student of any age to create, reflect, collaborate, and share. It also allows students to work independently or collaboratively to respond or submit their answers to the teachers. And it helps hear what students understand and to monitor their progress and give more differentiated instruction. Uses in the classroom. This to me was a big key component. Being able to find a site that will show the uses in the classroom, and just by being able to talk to another teacher and they can give you lists and lists of interesting things and ways to use in the classroom, this site held no other. Some uses, they can have the ability to personalize their own learning with the help of Seesaw. Teachers can record readings of stories for students to play back at their own time. They also have the ability to focus on fluency. As a learning support teacher who focuses in ELA, this is very, very important to me. Students can be able to record themselves or listen to a recording of myself reading and be able to look at their fluency and compare, and also be able to hear a story the right way. Teachers often record spelling tests on Seesaws at differentiated levels. Students then listen to the test and take it on their own time. It's an increase in home and school communication, and the ease and the availability of utilizing a flipped learning approach for students is tremendous. Going into some advantages, which I feel go right along with the uses in the classroom. Seesaw for most application is free for students and teachers, and that is huge, especially if you're in a district with budget constraints. It increases that home school communication. That piece is very essential in order to foster a positive relationship among our students. It is very easy to organize by subject, and it's so easy to use. And many different methods of inputs for students. They can do videos, pictures, they can blog, note-taking. The opportunities for our students are endless. Now, along with those advantages do come some disadvantages. Depending on the district, you can always have network issues that could cause a lack of ability to use the site. It's imperative to have one-to-one device for students to computers or iPads. Can work with 1 to 2, but it's more helpful when each student has their own device. And many teachers are hesitant to try anything new. I think that sometimes is the biggest disadvantages for some schools and some districts. When talking to some of my colleagues, they had nothing but great things to say. Certain things they said, it's incredible. I'm blown away with how easy it is. I had my class in under 20 minutes, set up, found activities, took a picture, and saved. It was all with being 1 to 2 iPad to student. This is very important. I love the ease of Seesaw. I love the many, many uses and advantages, and I think this would be a awesome site to use in my classroom, and I'm looking forward to using it.